Hey guys, welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So, some hours ago, Omegle has just shut down. So, Omegle has been a video platform where you can meet strangers online and chat on video calls. And it was the easiest platform you could use to randomly chat with strangers online. Now, once you go to the Omegle website right now, omegle.com, the platform is no longer online, and all you're going to see is this letter from the owner of Omegle to Omegle users. And when you scroll down right here, you can see it's from Leaf K. Brooks, that's the founder of Omegle.com. So if you want to see why Omegle has been shut down and you want to read this, just go to the Omegle website. So now that Omegle has finally shut down, this will be an issue for content creators that have based their content off of Omegle, and now they are going to need to find alternatives to Omegle. That's why I decided to do this video to show you the closest competitor to the Omegle platform. So now we're going to be using similar web for this, and we're going to be checking the top competitor for Omegle. And scrolling down, you can see the top competitor right now, that ome.tv, that's ome.tv. That is the closest competitor you're going to get to Omegle. And if you're a content creator and you're looking for a new platform for you to carry your content over to, for you to be able to make videos for YouTube or whatever streaming platform or video upload platform that you use, then you can decide to use home.tv. So we're going to be going to the platform right now, home.tv. Now once you come to this, you're going to have to sign up, which is different from Omegle, because on Omegle you can just immediately start random calling other people on video, but here you're going to have to either sign or continue with your Facebook account, or you're going to continue with your Conktail account. So now I'm going to tap on continue with Facebook, and I'm going to be signing into the platform. You can see continue as Cypher with my Facebook account. So now guys, all you have to do is allow to use your microphone and your camera, and then we're live. You can see right there that did not take any time at all. Now for you to use the platform, you are already on video chat. Now all you have to do is tap on start, and then you can start random video calling other people on the platform. So guys, that's how you can use the home.tv platform. It's actually very easy. Like, it's very quick for you to start random video calling, just like Omegle, and does not take like any real setup at all. So that's all guys for this video. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on using all the features of home.tv, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you also tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when I upload a new video, because I'm going to be uploading a new video showing all the features of home.tv. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.